What's up, everyone? I just got my Hyperdunks in, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. The reason I'm doing this video mainly is because I haven't seen anyone on YouTube with this colorway. So yeah, I got these for school basketball. I'm about to open them. So here they are. Nike Hyperdunk 2014, size 10.5. You can't see it, but it says black, metallic gold, anthracite. So yeah, let's get into these. I haven't even seen them yet. So. Ooh, that gold really pops. I like that. So here it is, the shoe. It's really nice looking. I really like it. You got the all black everything with the gold swoosh, both sides. Gold Hyperdunk writing. This gold thing right here, and yeah, got a little. There's the bottom. Got the gold swoosh on the bottom, little gold right there. Gold lunar line. Everything else is black. So yeah, I really like the shoe. It's really light. I mean, I noticed when I was holding the package that they seemed light, but geez. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you.